two of the most eco-friendly tyres on the market. The Continental UltraContact NXT boasts up to 65% renewable and recycled materials, or the Michelin e.Primacy, the first Michelin tyre optimized for low rolling resistance to cut CO2 emissions. But do they deliver where it matters? Performance. Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental UltraContact NXT set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from the 2025 Auto and Motorsport Sustainable Tyre Test. In wet braking, the UltraContact NXT stops 3.5 meters shorter than the e.Primacy, a 10% difference in favor of Continental. When it comes to wet handling, it's also 2.1 km per hour faster around the corners, which translates to a 3% improvement, meaning better grip and control. However, in straight-line aquaplaning, both tyres perform equally at 73.8 km per hour slipping speed, meaning they are evenly matched in water evacuation at high speeds. On dry roads, the UltraContact NXT again stops shorter, 1.5 meters sooner, a 4% advantage. It also maintains 1 km per hour more speed in dry handling tests, translating to a 1% improvement, proving to be the better performer. Where the Michelin e.Primacy really shines is longevity. Previous tests has shown it lasting 71,500 km, outperforming the standard UltraContact by 28%. While the NXT version wasn't tested for mileage, Michelin's track record suggests an advantage here. For road noise, the e.Primacy is slightly quieter, 0.5 dB lower, just a 1% difference. While small, it may contribute to a more refined ride. Michelin also wins in rolling resistance with a 7% lower value than Continental's UltraContact NXT. This translates to better fuel economy or extended EV range, a crucial factor for efficiency-focused drivers. When it comes to price, the Michelin e.Primacy costs 5% more than the UltraContact NXT. So which tyre is better? If you want the best wet and dry grip, the Continental UltraContact NXT is the winner. On the other hand, if longevity, efficiency and low rolling resistance are your priority, the Michelin e.Primacy takes the crown.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.